Welcome to Beautyistic. Are you tired of brittle, damaged hair that feels like it's on the edge of falling apart? Well, you're not alone. Hair damage can come from so many sources: heat styling, chemical treatments, and even environmental stressors. But today, we're talking about a product designed to target just that: Alterna CAVIAR Anti-Aging Restructuring Bond Repair Shampoo. Whether you're dealing with split ends, dry hair, or just overall hair fatigue, this shampoo promises to help restore, repair, and protect your locks. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of the review, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss another beauty breakdown right here on Beautyistic. Now, let's dive in. The Alterna CAVIAR Anti-Aging Restructuring Bond Repair Shampoo is marketed for dry, brittle, and damaged hair. It's packed with a blend of ingredients meant to target those fragile strands, strengthening them from the inside out. The shampoo is sulfate-free, which is great for maintaining moisture balance, especially if your hair has already seen a lot of damage from other harsh products. And it doesn't stop there. This shampoo promises to repair broken bonds within the hair, making it look smoother and healthier over time. It's also infused with green tea and bergamot, giving it a refreshing scent that's light but calming. When I first tried this shampoo, I was impressed by its creamy texture, which felt luxurious as it lathered. The scent was a pleasant surprise. There's something incredibly soothing about that combination of green tea and bergamot. As someone who deals with dry ends and a bit of damage from styling, I was excited to see if this could make a difference. Using this shampoo was easy, and it definitely felt like it was doing something more than just cleaning my hair. It wasn't stripping at all, which I loved. My hair didn't feel dry or squeaky after rinsing it out. After the first few washes, I started to notice that my hair felt a little stronger, and the split ends seemed less noticeable. I'm not going to claim this shampoo worked miracles overnight, but over the course of a few weeks, the results were clear. My hair felt smoother, looked shinier, and had more bounce to it than before. Of course, like any product, there were some trade-offs. While it definitely helped with strength and texture, I did find that I needed to follow up with a good conditioner to get the moisture my hair needs. So, if you have hair that's on the drier side, you might want to make sure you pair this with a hydrating conditioner for the best results. Pros? Well, it definitely delivered on its promise to strengthen hair and make it look healthier. The scent is another plus. It's subtle and refreshing without being overpowering. The sulfate-free formula is also a big win for those of us who want to avoid drying out our strands with harsh chemicals. But it's not perfect. The price point is something to consider. While it's definitely a high-quality product, it's a bit on the expensive side. If you're someone who's on a tight budget, this might be something you only reach for once in a while, rather than as your go-to shampoo. Also, for those with extremely dry or coarse hair, you may still need extra hydration from a separate conditioner, as this alone might not be enough to deeply moisturize. So, is this shampoo worth the money? It really depends. If you're dealing with damaged hair, this could be a game changer. It's a high-performing product that's sulfate-free, and it's got some great ingredients that'll make your hair look and feel stronger over time. But if you're just looking for a simple, everyday shampoo, there are more affordable alternatives out there that will clean your hair without doing as much for repairing damage. Now, if you're wondering if there's anything else on the market that could compare, there are other sulfate-free strengthening shampoos at a lower price point that might give you similar results. Products from brands like Shea Moisture or OGX are also known for their moisturizing and repair benefits, often at a fraction of the cost. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and sturdy. It's got that classic, high-end salon feel, and the bottle isn't difficult to handle in the shower. In terms of longevity, this product should last you a decent amount of time if used as directed. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. In terms of customer support, I didn't personally need to reach out, but Alterna is generally well regarded for its responsive customer service. if you have any issues with the product or need advice, you can likely expect a helpful response. To wrap things up, this shampoo does what it says it will. It repairs, strengthens, and protects damaged hair, and the results are noticeable after a few weeks of use. That said, the price point may be a barrier for some, and you'll likely need a good conditioner to accompany it if your hair is particularly dry. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.